Okay, so just a quick update on the challenge, the 100 to 1 million automated trading challenge. So basically, I've been researching into a lot of strategy to find a good strategy so that we can start on the demo testing for the challenge. But you know what? After going through so many strategies, just finding losing ones, they're all losing. So what I did was I found one that's losing a lot, and that's what we're going to go with. We're going to basically reverse a losing strategy and see how that goes on a demo account, and then we see how it goes. But so far so good. I've done a back test. If I just show you, so basically let's talk about the strategy first. So basically it's called the Gold ICT order block EA, and it's basically an automated strategy on the gold. It's built around order blocks, liquid sweeps, market structure and all that stuff. So it sounds good, but the thing is it's actually losing. So here's the stats here. So look, 153 trades on 1 year time frame, 36% win rate, profit factor 0.45, and it lost 355 over a year. Drawdown was under 20%. Time frame was on the H1, which performed the worst. On the New York and London session time was also the worst setting. So fact is that this is losing money, this strategy. And I tested on real ticks. If I just show you here. So this test I did on real ticks. So this is using really good quality data from Duca's copy as well, which we got high quality data. So that's the result at the moment. Okay, so let's talk about okay, so now that we know it's losing, so now we need to reverse the stats here and see what it comes out with. Okay, so by flipping the trades in reverse, here's the stats here. Profit factor jumps above 2.0. So to find out what we do is that's 1 divided by 0.45. yeah, so 1 divided by 0.45. I just load the calculator. 1 divided by 0.45, sorry, 1 divided by 0.45, 2.22 is the profit factor. Okay, so that's the profit factor in reverse. Win rate above 60%, trade count as 150 plus, drawdown remains under 19%. So that's compared to my checklist. So we said in the original one profit factor I'd leave 1.5, max drawdown 20%, less than 20, around 20, win rate 50%, at least 100 trades minimum, and a clean equity curve. So obviously equity curve is like this, but if we reverse it, obviously it's going to go up. Alright, so that's going to be the first strategy I'm going to go with. So next step is basically what we're going to do is we need to set the reverse strategy system up. We need to create another demo account in addition to the first one that we've created already, and then we're going to install some trade copier software so that we can facilitate the copying from the original demo strategy, original demo account, which is going to have the strategy on there, the robot on there, and then we're going to copy the trades from that account to the second demo account, but in reverse using the trade copier software. So that's the next step, and I'm going to be working on that now to do the next step, and then get this going. Probably start working on it tonight, and then I'll do another video for this one, and I'll go through all the steps as well. Okay, so that's it now for this video on the update, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so this video was part of the 100 to 1 million automated trading challenge, where I attempt to grow $100 capital into 1 million with automated trading strategies, where I'm sharing also all my steps and actions in a beginner friendly step-by-step way. So if you're interested to learn more or sign up for free, if you go to 100-1m.com. Thanks for watching.